Hey, this is Al Bain from Al Bain for Leather, and we're here to talk about a drop-in bobbin for a Class 26 sewing machine and some of the finer points of getting the thread through the system. First, we're going to hold the bobbin with our fingers with our hand as flat as possible so that my hand is laying out in this fashion, not like this, because all of a sudden my own fist is in the way. So it'll work, but it's hard. So flatten out your hand and get the hand flat as you can and drop the bobbin in so that the thread is paying out counterclockwise. Reach behind the machine and put some pressure on the bobbin and then slide that thread in the clockwise direction until it falls into the little gap leading to the tension device. Now trade your hands and put your index finger on the bobbin itself and use the top of your thumb, the thumbnail, and slide it along that rim and guide that thread all the way to the gap and drop it into the little hole right in front of the bracket there, and then close the mechanism. Deploy a little thread, make sure the bobbin is turning clockwise, and then just a little tension to ensure that it settles into the tension device. Next thing, you're going to cycle the machine, one full revolution, pass the top dead center, raise the bobbin thread out, and now use the thread itself to pull the bobbin thread all the way out from under the presser foot. Avoid at all costs putting your finger underneath the foot. Close the bobbin case, make sure the thread is backing away toward 1 o'clock, and you're done. This is your buddy Al Bain from Al Bain for Leather saying, please pay it forward.